Mistakes freshers make when starting their career by AliAzizQualityEducation.
AliAzizQualityEducation channel providing you the job best interview related videos, so don't forget the subscription button.
Starting a career is exciting, but many freshers make common mistakes that slow down their growth. These mistakes are not about lack of talent, they are about lack of awareness and guidance. If you avoid these early mistakes, you can grow faster and build a successful career. 1. Not having clear career goals. Many freshers start working without a clear direction. They don't know what they want. Change goals frequently. Follow others blindly. Without clear goals, career growth becomes slow and confusing. 2. Focusing only on salary. Choosing a job only for salary is a common mistake. Freshers should focus on learning opportunities, skill development, career growth. A higher salary without growth can limit your future. 3. Not learning new skills. Some freshers stop learning after getting a job. In today's world, skills become outdated quickly. Continuous learning is necessary. Those who keep learning grow faster. 4. Poor communication skills. Many freshers struggle to express ideas clearly, speak confidently, write professional emails. Communication is one of the most important career skills. 5. Avoiding responsibility. Some freshers avoid challenging tasks. They stick to easy work, fear making mistakes. But growth happens when you take responsibility and learn from errors. 6. Not asking questions. Freshers often hesitate to ask questions. This leads to confusion, mistakes, slow learning. Asking questions shows interest and helps you improve. 7. Ignoring networking. Building professional relationships is very important. Mistake: not connecting with colleagues. Not building industry contacts. Networking helps in learning and future opportunities. 8. Being overconfident or underconfident. Both extremes are harmful. Overconfidence leads to mistakes. Underconfidence limits performance. Balance is key, be confident but open to learning. 9. Poor time management. Freshers often struggle with managing tasks and deadlines. This affects productivity, work quality, professional image. Good time management is essential for success. 10. Not taking feedback seriously. Feedback is a tool for improvement. Mistake: ignoring feedback. Taking it personally. Successful professionals use feedback to grow. Conclusion: every fresher makes mistakes, but the key is to learn from them quickly. By avoiding these common errors, you can build a strong foundation for a successful career.